Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove favorites in Outlook. If you've been using Outlook for a while, you might have added several folders or emails to your favorites section for quick access. But over time, your priorities change and you may want to clean up that favorites list to keep things organized and streamlined. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load in all your emails, folders, and settings. Give it a moment to fully sync, especially if you have a lot of messages or if it's been a while since you last opened the app. You want everything to be properly loaded before you start making changes. Once your email has been loaded and everything is visible, it's time to remove those favorites. To do this, navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are located. You should see the favorites section at the top of this pane. This section displays the folders or emails you've previously marked as favorites for easy access. The process of removing favorites in Outlook is actually quite straightforward. Look for the favorites section within your inbox pane. Here you'll see all the items you've added over time. To remove any of them, simply right-click on the selected favorite. This could be a folder like your inbox, sent items, or a custom folder you created, or it could even be a specific email you pinned there. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, simply click on the Remove from Favorites option. As soon as you click it, the folder or email will be removed from the Favorites section immediately. It won't delete the folder or email itself, it just removes it from that quick access area. The item will still exist in its original location within your Outlook account, so there's no risk of losing any data. You can repeat this process for as many favorites as you want to remove. Just right-click on each one and select Remove from Favorites. This helps you keep your favorites section clean and focused only on the folders or emails you currently need quick access to. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your favorites section in Outlook, making your inbox more organized and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.